Welcome to Suncoast. This time we're at Redondo Beach, a coastal city of a rich maritime legacy and a population of roughly 66,000 residents who enjoy one of Southern California's most vibrant oceanfront. From above, the shoreline stretches out like a living postcard, waves rolling in, surfers carving through the morning swell, and sunlight glinting off the Pacific. As we drift closer, the iconic Redondo Beach Pier comes into view, one of the largest piers on the West Coast, offering 70,000 square feet of open area for dining, strolling, and ocean views. Its horseshoe shape has become a symbol of the city's identity, evolving alongside Redondo's long history as a fishing and seaside resort town, dating back to the late 1800s, when travelers arrived by train to escape the city and enjoy the ocean air. Down at street level, the boardwalk hums with daytime energy. Joggers, cyclists, families, and visitors soaking in the sea breeze. Redondo Beach has always been a place where the ocean shapes daily life. It's home to the largest small boat marina on the West Coast, a testament to its deep connection to the water. Cafes spill onto the sidewalk. Surf shops display boards still dripping from the morning swell, and the smell of grilled seafood drifts through the air. This blend of nostalgia and modern coastal living is part of what makes Redondo Beach timeless. Here, history becomes flavor. Quality Seafood, founded in 1953, is one of the oldest continuously operating seafood markets in California. It began on the original pier before relocating to what is now the International Boardwalk during the 1960s redevelopment. Today, it remains famous for having one of the largest selections of live seafood on the West Coast, offering everything from local halibut and mackerel to spiny lobsters and bluefin tuna caught right off King Harbor. As the day continues, Redondo Beach stays alive with energy. Sunlight dances across the waves, boats glide in and out of the marina, and the coastline stretches endlessly into the horizon. For me, Redondo Beach's fish market stands alongside Starfish Company in Cortez, Florida, as the only truly authentic fresh fish experiences I can personally recommend. Starfish Company has been part of Cortez's fishing village heritage since the 1920s, sourcing seafood directly from the local fishermen in one of Florida's last working fishing communities. Both places share the same spirit: no frills, no gimmicks, just honest ocean-to-table freshness rooted in generations of fishing tradition. This is Redondo Beach, historic, flavorful, vibrant, and full of California spirit. Whether you're here for the food, the views, or just a moment to breathe, the coastline stays with you long after you leave. Thanks for joining this journey. Until next time, keep exploring. Please, please, please subscribe.